Hey, y'all ever have one of them days where it just seems like no matter what you do to try to be productive, it just don't work? Had a little dirt there. Sorry, I've been trying to mow my yard all day. As you can tell, didn't really work out. You know, it got me thinking. I'm just like literally day after day after day, just continuously doing the same thing over and over and over. And not getting nowhere doing it. I don't know. Anywho, this is supposed to be some sort of funny channel. Let's see here. Can I think of something funny real quick? Uh, Two people walk into a bar, and the third one ducks. How's that for a joke? I thought it was funny. And, oh man. You know, honestly, I think that might be about what this channel is going to be. Just you and me chilling together. Now, granted, I'm talking, but just me sitting here and telling you about my day. Maybe something funny happens. I don't know. Oh, I did want to point out something. As you notice, my channel is Shelby the Guy, right? Well, as you know, my name is Shelby, and from where I am, do you know how incredibly rare it is to find someone who identifies as a male with the name Shelby? Now, I'm not saying there's not millions of us out there, but around where I live, I'm about the only one. But it's funny because straight from Jump Street, like straight from the introduction, is like, say, my name was on like a big marquee or something. Now showing Shelby Richmond. Guaranteed, most people will be like, I bet she's hot. And it is hilarious to watch people just, like, in their head be like, well, that ain't what I paid to see. Now, Jimmy, you hush. You paid good money for these seats. But I paid to see a woman. Now, there's a man. Anyway, but, that's the charm of having at least when I was growing up, what was called a unisex name. So, in people's heads, I've already let them down. And just so you know, the answer is no. He's not hot. Yeah. But I digress. Because I would much rather hear that than, oh, I got a poodle named Shelby, and she is just the cutest little thing. So, my channel, I think, I'm going to raise awareness about the fact that Shelby, the name, male, female, otherwise, is no longer an acceptable pet name. Unless your pet is a turtle. If your pet is a turtle, that's just the obvious name for it. I mean, if you're trying to do turtle pun names, I mean that's gold right there. That's like right in your face. I'm not really big on any of the other social media platforms yet. I do have a TikTok. I will eventually post the link to you know to it. I have an Instagram, but I don't use it really. I mean, I'm working most of the time. I mean, heck, most of the time when I'm talking to you, it's because I'm stuck in a car or somewhere, or I'm at work on a break. So, I'll holler at you later. Peace.